Good morning, magnificent, marvelous Maralettes. I miss you already. I'm going to say good morning again. And even though I won't actually be able to see your lovely lips, please say good morning back to me. Good morning, magnificent, marvelous Maralettes. It is Friday, February 5th, 2021. That was a lot of F's. And we are going to start with our Nature Mindful Minute, which is where we stand up and we pick a landscape that is beautiful to us. It might be the desert, it might be the ocean, it might be the mountains, it might be the clouds or outer space, like you guys said last week. So find a mindful position, and you are going to pretend that you are gazing out over this beautiful landscape. What would you see? What would you hear? What would you smell? For 1 minute of mindful breathing. In 5, 4, 3, 2, wonderful. Thank you, everybody, for doing a mindful minute with me. I was picturing the desert because, of course, I'm in the desert right now. And hopefully you couldn't hear Derek too loudly because actually, as I'm filming this, you guys are in PE class on Monday, which is totally wacky. Okay, I'm not going to forget emotion because sometimes I do forget emotion. I forget how to be a teacher. So right now we are going to get out our emotion cards, and I'm going to have you write your emotion today in your journal. So I will tell you, I'm going to look into the future and tell you how I'm going to feel on Friday. I think I'm feeling excited today because I'm on a camping trip. And I think I'm feeling sad because I miss you. So please turn to page 93 in your journal, and you are going to write the date, which is February 5th, 2021. So here is your date. You can pause the video if you need time to copy this. So you're on page 93. You're writing the date, which is February. Don't forget the rue. February 5th, 2020. Wonderful. Remember, if you need more time, you can pause me while you copy this. On the second line, you are going to write, today I feel, If you are in kindergarten, oh my gosh, I wrote today I fell. What? That was totally a mistake. I wrote fell instead of feel. So fell is F-E-L-L. I meant to write feel. F-E-E-L. Oh my, and I wrote in pen so you could see it, and now of course I can't erase it. So here you have, today I feel, You write your emotion with a period at the end. And if you're in first grade, you might want to say why. Today I feel because. And if you're in second grade, I definitely want you to write why. Today I feel because. Okay, so go ahead and pause me and write your emotion. And when you're done, come back and press play again. For calendar, I will officially show you the date on my calendar. Today is Friday, February, which I'm still missing my February. Today is Friday, February 5th, 2020. Wonderful. For number wall, do you know what number goes on the number wall today? I'll give you a minute to think. Say it out loud. I hope you said 93. We have a 93 today. 9 tens, 3 ones, 9 and a 3 on a pink Post-it. And 93 is not a completely lonely number, but it's kind of lonely. But at least it has one friend to hang out with. It is a, do you know it? I bet some of you can figure it out pretty quickly. If you look at 90, you'll see a sticker that also goes on 93 because 93 is 3 more than 90. Did you guess it? It's a star. 93 is a multiple of 3 because 90 had a star, so we go 90, 91, 92, 93. So your 93 needs a star sticker. So I'm going to get my star sticker. You get your star sticker. What color star am I going to use today? I'm going to use a blue one. So here's my 93, and here is my star sticker. I'm going to go put this on the number wall. For our number wall counting today, we're going to do a little bit of coin review. So which coins do you count by ones? Say it out loud. I hope you said pennies. Count pennies by one, so we're going to count by ones up to 10. But we're going to do it in Spanish because counting in English is way too easy. So we're going to go. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coin do you count by fives? I hope you said nickel, nickel, nickels. So if you have nickels, you count by fives. We're going to practice counting by fives on our number wall. When you count by fives, you start with 5. Say it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. All right, we're going to count by tens. That's kind of my favorite one because it's a straight line down the column. What do you call them? Columns. Which coins do you count by tens? I hope you said dimes because tiny tens, dimes are worth 10 cents. So we count dimes by tens. Starting on 10, see there's my dime sticker. Say it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We are so close to 100. And which coins do you count by 25s? They're the biggest ones. Quarters. I see my blue numbers on my number wall. I bet you do too. So we're going to start at 25. Say it with me. 25, 50, 75. We are so close to 100. For tens and ones today, you are going to go back to page 93 in your journal. So you're going to get your journal again. You're going to go back to page 93 where you already wrote about your emotion. Remember, I wrote today I fell instead of today I feel. Whoops. So you are going to go to page 93 of your journal. And for tens and ones, we are going to draw the tens and ones right next to the number. Itty bitty teeny tiny tens and ones. So remember, my tens are going to be just a straight line down to represent our tens that look like this. So I'm going to get my pen open and I'm going to draw my tens, counting by tens. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. We're going to write one addition sentence for our tens and ones. I'm going to choose to circle some tens. I'm going to circle this many. Hopefully you can see my pink pencil all right. It's kind of light. You might not be able to see that very well. Let's see. Maybe I'll go over it in red a little bit. This might be easier. Okay. So in the red circle, how many do I have? Let's count them. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to write 60 plus how many are outside of the red circle? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I'm going to write 60 plus 33 equals, do you know the sum? Here's the sum, 93. Super awesome possum. That is the end of our Friday agenda.